Video we are going to see about firefighting robot. So here you can see a fire sensor, and we have used a model tank here. It's just like a box here, a battery here, a buck converter to reduce the 5 voltage, a Bluetooth module, and we have used the processor Arduino Nano here, and it's a driver for controlling the motors. Here we have used the relay module to control the motor used in the tank. Here you can see the motors outlet spray here as well. So this project is very useful in public places like malls, railway stations, airports, and very particularly used in can be used in industries where mining industries and other fire using industries, furnaces industries like forging companies, etc. It can be a very useful project for the people who deals with who are risk on fire related to industries and other public places. Now we are going to see the working principles, and now I am going to on the robot. Here you can see the mobile phone where you can connect the Bluetooth device with our robot. So here you can see how the robot is connected to our Bluetooth mobile, and now we can drive the motor in our mobile device itself. So you can see the driving of a robot, forward, backward, side, right and left, everything you can move in every direction as well. You can see the working module. So here we can drive the robot in our mobile device itself. So in the next we can see the firefighting, how it fights for the fight against the fire by detecting the fire using the sensor. So here you can see how a robot works against fire. As soon as it is fire, it's moving around everywhere, and it can put out the fire in all over the direction. So you can see how it sprays water here, and it started to moving everywhere around where it detects the fire. So let us see another one time.